It's Victoria Alexandra here. If you are new,
What it do, baby? Yeah.
If you are a returning subscriber,
Cousin. What's up, cousin? What's up?
First of all, I'm in my bathroom because I'm in the process of moving, so a lot of things are packed up. But in today's video, I wanted to try the high bun with the swoop bang. I think it's a really cute hairstyle, so I did that today. If you want to see how I achieved this, just keep on watching. I'm gonna start this off on freshly washed hair. It's not like super wet, but it's not dry either. My hair does a lot better when it's wet, when I'm trying to do like a bun or anything like that. Going to detangle it some more. I'm just going to part what I'm going to use for my swoop real quick. Alright, that's about how much I've got parted for my bang. I'll spray my hair some more. I'm going to be using the Wet Line Extreme Gel. A hard brush. So we're gonna move this out the way for right now. Just kind of to detangle. All these single strand knots are killing me. Don't know where they coming from, why. Of course my part's not that straight.
Like who? Like no, go do.
Gonna take some gel.
I don't like that.
Y'all, my lip is sweating entirely too hard. This how you know I was struggling. Like, I'm sitting here watching this and I have been in tears for the past 20 minutes. I'm gonna put our first bobby pin down here. Spray a little got to be. A little bit of my Talia YG curl definer. Just twist it around like so. And a bobby pin. And next I'm gonna take this scrunchie and that's gonna be my top knot. All right, so this is the finished look. This was definitely a struggle, you guys, but I did it. We made it. Also, I wanted to say that I did do a community post. I'm planning to do a Q&A. So I asked you guys in the community post to leave your questions that you would have for me down below so that I can film my Q&A. I'm just reminding you guys that the community post is there. You can also DM me on Instagram. My Instagram is in the description box below. And so of course, if you made it this far, then you already know, baby girl, we're family.
Hey, auntie.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also hit that bell so you can turn on your post notifications and be notified every single time I upload. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video.